Hello and welcome back to EZSilver. Today we're diving into 5 must-know tips to keep your computer running smoothly, safely, and stress-free.
We're talking about the basics that actually make your digital life easier. No complicated tech jargon, just simple steps.
Take a deep breath, grab a cup of tea, and let's go through this step by step. Ready? Let's get started. Let's start with something serious. Windows 10 support is ending on October 14th, 2025. That means no more security updates, which could leave your computer vulnerable.
You might be wondering, what does this mean for me? Do I need to panic? Don't worry, you still have time to prepare.
Let's check what version of Windows you're running. Click the Start button in the bottom left corner. Did you click it? Good. Now find the Settings icon. It looks like a little gear, and click it. The Settings window should open. Do you see a menu on the left? Click System, then scroll all the way down to About and click that too. This shows which version of Windows you have. If it says Windows 10, you're on the version that will lose support.
Now comes the question. Should you upgrade to Windows 11 or buy a new computer?
Let's decide together with a quick checklist. First, how old is your computer? If it's more than 5 years old, it might be time for a new one. Second, does it feel painfully slow, taking forever to open programs? Third, can it even run Windows 11? Check this using Microsoft's free PC Health Check app. Finally, consider your budget.
If 2 or more of these made you nod your head, it might be time for a replacement. Otherwise, upgrading to Windows 11 might do the trick. And please, back up your files first. Save them to Google Drive and also a USB stick. 2 backups are safer than 1.
Do you sometimes wonder, is this program safe to install? Or maybe your computer is full of things you don't even remember installing?
Here's what you should do. When installing a program, search for the official website first. Avoid suspicious links or ads. When the installer opens, read each step carefully before clicking Next. Uncheck any boxes for add-on software you don't need. To uninstall, click the search bar, type Control Panel, and press Enter. In Control Panel, click Programs and Features. Scroll to find the program you want to remove, click it, and choose Uninstall. Restart your computer when it's done. Yes, that restart is important.
And if a program just won't uninstall, try Revo Uninstaller. It cleans up leftovers too. Ever had one of those scary pop-ups saying, your computer is hacked? Call this number now.
Take a deep breath. These are almost always scams.
Here's what to do. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Find your browser, select it, and click End Task to close it. Then reopen your browser and clear your history and cookies. Turn on Windows Defender. It's already built in and free. Run a quick scan weekly and a full scan monthly. You can also install Malwarebytes free for extra protection.
And remember, no real bank, government office, or tech company will ever call you to ask for money or remote access. If you're unsure, hang up and call the company directly using their official number.
Let's speed things up a little, literally. Do you struggle because your computer feels slower than it used to?
Here's a simple tune-up. Open Task Manager again, click the Startup tab, and turn off apps you don't really use. This makes your PC start faster next time. Then type Disk Cleanup in the search bar, open it, and remove unnecessary files. Install any pending Windows updates too. They help improve performance.
If it's still slow, it might be your hard drive. Upgrading to an SSD can make it feel like a brand new computer. Seriously, it's one of the best upgrades you can do. I don't know about you, but I get annoyed by paid tools sometimes. But we still need certain software to run our computers safely and comfortably.
Here are my top 5 free tools every senior should have. 1. LibreOffice, a free alternative to Microsoft Office 2. VLC Player plays almost any video or music file 3. 7-Zip for opening compressed files 4. OBS Studio for screen recording or even live streaming 5. ShareX perfect for screenshots or making quick GIFs.
All of these are completely free. Just make sure you download them from their official websites. And that's it. 5 powerful tips to make your computer safer, faster, and easier to use.
If this video helped you, click like, hit subscribe, and share it with a friend who might need it too. Thanks for watching, and remember, learn, live, and enjoy with EZSilver.